Namaste viewers, I'm Renu Tyagi, your economics teacher, and today in this video children we will discuss about the project work. In this long sudden holidays, you can utilize your time by making an attractive project for your final examination. So let's see that how you can make a project. Children, there are two books in your class 12th, macroeconomics and Indian economic development, and do select any topic from macroeconomics or Indian economic development. So many topics are there in your big book. If you go with macroeconomics, then you can go with commercial bank, functions of commercial bank, money creation function of commercial bank. You can go with RBI's function. You can go with inflation, deflation measure. You can go with aggregate demand and supply. You can go with three methods to measure national income. You can go with domestic territory. Any topic which you like the most, you can select for your project work. If we talk about Indian economic development, children, you can go with sustainable development. You can go with infrastructure. You can go with rural development. You can go with Indian economy at the time of independence, on the eve of independence. So there are so many topics, children, in your two books. Go with any topic which you like the most. And next step, children, these are the topics or the pages which your file will contain. The first page is your profile. Children, profile means your detailed information. Profile means your detailed information. Then second page, index, then acknowledgement, certificate, introduction of the selected topic, history of the topic, objective, meaning and definition, description, case study, conclusion, learning, suggestion if any, and bibliography. These are the pages which your file will contain, or you will make your project. Or first page should be your profile. Children, your profile means your detailed information like your name, your class, subject obviously economics, and the subject code is 030. Then your board roll number, school name. So that is the profile page. The first page of your file will be your profile page. Profile means your detailed information including this. Next children, the acknowledgement. Acknowledgement, this is the language of the acknowledgement. Here you have to write the name of your subject teacher, your principal name, and the topic you have selected. Clear? So this is the uh, page of acknowledgement. Next is children certificate. This is the language of certificate. Here you will write your name, and here you will write your school name. Here your subject teacher will sign, here your principal will sign, and finally on the day of board practical day, your examiner will sign over here. So this is the certificate. Next children, like if we take an example of children commercial bank, you are making project on commercial bank or a RBI. So how you can make a project? Let's see, children. If we are selecting the topic RBI's function, right? So here we will start from here. Write the introduction of the selected topic, that the topic we have selected the functions of RBI. History of the topic means when the RBI established, where is the head office of RBI, objective, then meaning and definition of RBI, description, and the children most important thing is that you use the pen, not the the regular pen which you are using in your notebook. Kindly use projector marker in your file and avoid writing. It should be a pictorial. Pictorial means you can use a flow chart, you can use a diagrams, you can use a pictures. so that it must be eye catching your project. And children, this is a sample project. Like, if you are selecting your topic RBI's function, so here is the introduction, then objective, then functions of RBI. These are the functions of RBI, and the bibliography. Bibliography means the sources from you have taken the information, like it might be a www.google.com, Wikipedia, or a textbook, or your teacher's note, anything. So these all are the, the description or a sample of a project. So thank you, viewers. I think the steps how you will make a project will be clear to all. Thank you very much for watching. If you like, kindly share, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you, listeners. Have a nice day.